M&M 10 tips for going tiny. Number 10 in our countdown is actually try out your tiny living space. As 15-year veteran campers, we knew that this is something that we wanted to do. We strongly recommend that you try out your tiny time space too. Countdown tip number 9 is to remember that this process is going to take some time. Countdown tip number 8 is to begin sorting and sorting and sorting. Decide really what it is that you need to keep and what you can let go. Countdown tip number 7 is to make a plan. How are you going to transition? When are you going to transition? Do you have any job or pet considerations, etc.? And again, keep in mind that this is a process, as we had said earlier, and it is going to take some time. Countdown tip number 6 is to have a yard sale, to donate items, to give away items, but essentially begin eliminating all of your extra clutter. Countdown tip number 5 is to decide where you are going to locate your tiny living space. We chose to use our 33-foot travel trailer so that we could go camping every day. Countdown tip number 4 is to begin setting up your space. For tips and ideas on how to set up your camper, please see the rest of our Tiny Time playlist. Countdown tip number 3 is to prepare your old home for either sale or lease. Countdown tip number 2, go ahead and have your last sorts and sales. Take one last opportunity to try to eliminate all of that extra clutter. And finally, countdown tip number 1, make your move. We are currently working on our first year in our new tiny space, and we absolutely love it. We hope you enjoy your tiny space too.